The winds that swept through East Texas on Sunday left behind more than just downed limbs and power outages. In Tatum, one convenience store is now cleaning up after those powerful gusts shattered windows and sent debris flying. CBS 19's Jesus Martinez shows us what happened and why the staff is thankful no one was injured.
It's a different kind of wind being heard in Tatum after Sunday afternoon storms.
So this is our back room where the window caved in.
But not everyone was dealing with yard debris. Some businesses were hit much harder by the force of wind.
One of our totes over here completely filled with glass shards.
And the cleanup has just started for this convenience store. The part of the building that was damaged by strong winds is a storage area where the store keeps drinks and other supplies.
The crew that was here did clean up some of the glass already.
Glass and debris still pepper the floor.
But other than that, we still have the rest of this completely to do. And it's a lot.
Caitlin McCoy is the assistant manager here. She got a text from a coworker showing her this picture.
Full of glass, full of metal, and was like, this just happened. I was like, what the heck?
She rushed to the store to make sure everyone was okay.
But we're really glad nobody was back here, because if our employee was here or his girlfriend was back here, they would have gotten hit with the glass and possibly gotten killed.
As the clouds reflect on the glass, there is optimism.
Gonna continue on.
And the assistant manager tells me that they already have a crew on their way to get all this mess fixed up. That way they can get brand new windows and that storage room back up and running again. Thankfully, no injuries in all this mess. In Tatum, I'm Jesus Martinez. Back to you.